Hey everyone, it's 11:55 a.m. on Saturday, June 26, 2021, and right here is a Litex Close-Up from 1986, I believe it is. Haven't really checked the date, it's been a long time, but now I'm finally getting to film this fan, and it initially came with a 3-arm light kit. I don't like 4 blazing 3 lights, so I delighted it, and came just as you see it. I got this from fellow collector Dominic Tessari a couple years ago, I think. I can't remember, but thanks, Dominic, if you're watching this video, along with another Hunter, which I will eventually get up. But anyway, this is a major childhood fan, and my local post office has these installed with the cane flipped upwards. And I just love these footprint vent huggers with, there, see that? Look at the sideband right there. There's reverse switch. And it's straight vent or capsule shaped vent sisters pop up more often than these do, at least in my area. But I just prefer these because they are somewhat rare in comparison. Anyways, let's rev it up. First on low. And by the way, Litex is a subsidiary of Aircool. Aircool manufactures the motors for these fans, if I haven't already established that. Medium. And we'll bump it up to high, shall we? It really puts out a good breeze on high, especially for a hugger, but now we'll do spin down. There. Bearings are really good on this fan. I love it. Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.